You are no ordinary fool. Yoren knows a kindred spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Just so. This one is heartsick without his betrothed. What good is all this food and drink without the one you love to pick it from your teeth? But Yoren is forbidden to see his bride-to-be until the day of our vowels. Free her from her minders, so we may grow fat together. Take a token of my love, the sickly sweet brownish flesh of mud crab apples, and she will know I sent you. The guard cannot know their king bade the absencing of his bride. Use cautiousness. This one's overlarge heart tramples in anticipation of seeing his bride-to-be.
Do you know the trouble with Morrowind feasts?
All the poisonings?
No, besides that.
The squishy bug glop?
Yes, but...
The long, silent glowering?
everything comes out smoked. But seriously, they really are dreadful, aren't they?
The guild has need of you, comrade.
My pig? Who took my pig? Guards! Guards!
If you were a real
Quit
thing,
laughing and help!
I doubt you'll try anything like this again.
Pig on the loose! Be on the lookout for a pig! Sneaky switch, she's my sow!
take pity on me.
Oh, you have brought Yoren his bride to be. Or does this one's eyes deceive him? He is very intoxicated. Ah, she is tasteful, is she not? I could just eat her up. Much better. Your heroics have stirred my spirits. I must savor these tenderest moments, rare as they are. Now that you have hogged all the glory here, I think we will be taking this party elsewhere. Will you follow our folly of fools down this onerous path? Now that you have hogged all the glory here,